kayo? Good evening, good afternoon, good evening to all of you. So today, I will make fish again. Magtinulang isda ako today para sa akin kasi ting lamig. I want to drink sarap. So I have here the things to make my tinulang isda. I have here the ginger, tomato, and the hot chili. And we have the eggplant. Gusto ko kumain ng eggplant and the peppers, onion, and the garlic. So now, we will proceed to clean our fish first and cut everything. So now guys, everything is already ready. We will continue to cook our fish. Tinulang isda is ready now. So we have here the hot peel, tomato, onion, ginger, and peppers, and we have the eggplant and the fish. And I need more onion, garlic guys, because garlic is good for the high pressure. So now we will start. So this is the water of our tinulang isda guys. We will make it boil first, but then later on we will put the condiments and all the things we need. So now we will boil it first. So now guys, our water is start boiling. We will add our garlic, our ginger, our onion. To make it tasty, we will make it boil first what do you call that? We'll make it boil first. Everything we will make it boil. We will make it boiling first. Everything. Then we will add salt. So now it's boiling, we will add our fish. Tinulang isda. So we will add our eggplant. We will check our tinulang isda guys. Kung naluto na ba? This is our tinulang isda. Tikim ng sabaw. Sobrang sarap guys. Lalagyan na natin yung peppers natin. Para hindi masyadong maluto yung peppers natin, dapat ihuli natin siya. So yun na nga yung sabaw natin guys. Is matatapos na. Inuman na ng sabaw. Kasi ting lamig. So lagyan natin ng kamon guys. Kamon is good also for the high pressure. Gusto ko mahanghang. This is chili hot, red chili. Then, pintilaso. Sarap. Ginutong tuloy ako. Ayun. Okay na siya. Masarap na siya. So, kainan na guys. This is our tinulang isda for today for my recipe only. Thank you for watching guys. I love you all.